Hello world, this is Random Fix. In this video today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and change out your low beam and high beam headlights. So this is going to be the low beam headlight here on this 2019 Vs30 907 Sprinter, and this is going to be the high beam. So I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and do this from start to finish. You really don't need any tools. However, if you have a needle nose plier like this, it'll make it a little bit easier, especially with the low beam, as the low beam do require pulling and the high beam is just going to go ahead and twist into place. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. So we got the 2019 plus Mercedes Sprinter, and if you want to go ahead and change out your low or high beam headlight, that's what this video is all about. So we got the regular beams or low beams right here on the outside, and on the inner side over here we have the high beams. The same exact thing here on the passenger side, we got the high beams and we got the low beams. And if you guys notice, there's these two covers. So this happens to be for the high beam and this is for the low beam, and the way these covers work is they just pop off. So there's the cover right there. You're going to reach in and just pull it off. There you go, the cover's off now. And the same exact thing on this side. We got a cover here, and we also got a cover right here for the low beam, high beam. So we got the high beam headlight right here, and the way this is installed is in this position. So where the terminals are at the 12 o'clock position, to put it in, you want to go ahead and put it at the 9 o'clock position right here, and then you want to turn towards the 12 o'clock position. And whenever you're undoing it and taking it out, you want to go ahead and turn towards the driver's side, back to the 9 o'clock position like this. This one's pretty easy to do. You want to make sure you don't touch the actual light bulb itself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how easy this is by doing this on video. So I'm going to go ahead and, you guys see the light bulb right there? So I'm going to put it in the 9 o'clock position. And then I'm going to go ahead and twist it. And as a pro tip, you want to look through the front of the headlight and you can see it and you can line it up. And it locks into place just like that. So that light is back in. And to go ahead and undo it, I'm just going to reach in and turn towards the driver's side and pull out, and it'll be undone. The same thing here on the low beam. I'm going to go ahead and put the light in this orientation. So this is at the 12 o'clock position, and it's going to snap in. And there is a wire terminal that I'm going to go ahead and show you guys at the end on how you go ahead and just click it back in. And it's very, very easy. Again, when you're pulling this out, it does take a little bit of work. Those needle nose pliers are really helpful, and you want to pull straight out. Do not pull up, because you're going to go ahead and bend the tabs. So we can see that the high beam was easier. So now on the low beam, let me just do it from start to finish. Remove the cover, take the little connector off, with my connector out of the way. You can try doing with your hand. You got to grab these two and try to pull straight out. It's a little difficult, and I like using this better instead. So grab the terminal and then pull straight out, just like that. Make sure you do not touch the actual halogen element there, as you're going to go ahead and shorten up the life of the light bulb. To put it in this orientation with that little tab facing up. When you hear that clicking, You can be 100% positive that it's in. Grab your connector, push it into place. Again, you do not need this. You can do it with your hands. This just makes it a lot easier. Hey everybody, if you're enjoying the video on how to change out your low and high beam headlights on the Mercedes Sprinter here, well, consider giving the video a thumbs up, as it really lets me know how I'm doing. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, why not subscribe, because it's absolutely free, and I have a whole bunch of cool videos on how to go ahead and do a lot of different things on your Sprinter, including turning it into a conversion van. If you guys haven't checked out the channel before, I've done everything on this van, from the floor to a deck up top, solar panels, crazy batteries that I'm actually building out right here. So stay tuned, and thanks again. Now let's see how we did. So we can see that the high beam is currently on. We also got the low beams on. Everything's working nice and well. Make sure you put all your covers back on, and you're all done. I also have video links down below on some different brands for LED upgrades, so don't be afraid to check those out as well. How easy was that? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys got any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.